dominant aspiration in this country at this point in time is to become a developed country, or what we call Viksit Bharat. We not only need doctors, engineers and space scientists, but we also need designers of world-class standing and legitimacy in this country.
So Anant University is the first integrated design university where the leading corporates of India decided to come together, and the curriculum of Anant is designed not to facilitate design as a function, but to facilitate design thinking as a tool to solve problems.
It's an open campus, so it is very porous, it is seamless, there are no boundaries. So for us, studios are at the heart and a lot of learning happens in the studios.
The furniture in our environment of our learning studio allows us to have different postures, and hence it helps us to have creativity in our learning experience.
It was an ecosystem of micro spaces that was laid out around the campus, which meant that it is a palette of choice, it's a palette of posture, it's a palette of presence that we have to build in, but it has to seamlessly work with each other.
Steelcase, first of all, has taken a lot of interest in our pedagogy. Our brief was very simple, that our students are not going to be confined in one single classroom or one single space. And there has to be multiple options given. For example, learning in a particular set environment in a typical classroom, you will never see at Anant.
We had to listen, we had to observe, we had to design for the solutions that actually work for the active learning that this particular environment, the curriculum, demanded. In fact, there were a lot of products that were co-created specifically to suit those outcomes. Right? I can see an application for whatever we learned working with Anant in an agile environment, whether it's a product design, whether it's a software design, the same can be applied.
Faculty and students, we have found it quite empowering. They give us lots of alternative configurations, and we can discuss things in small clusters, bring them all together as a big batch, have one-to-one discussions. Faculty spaces feel more like a home.
So I don't think you can design for learning environment without designing for the faculty spaces.
The Steelcase furniture that we have used on this campus is both aesthetic in its appearance and functional by nature. It's sturdily built, and our students and faculty who have begun to use various kinds of the Steelcase furniture are enjoying it a lot.
We're looking forward to learning more with them and growing more with them and solving for the built environment in the future.